Today I want to share my idea on leveraging data science to help in predicting customer experience proactively. Firstly, I want to divide the customer into two segments, existing and new customers. Existing customer details such as products brought till now, their transaction history, their searches till now will all be with us. From them, we can predict their favorite brands, preferred price ranges, preferred products, whether he is a big budget spender or not. We can calculate churn rate using different machine learning algorithms, and we can get to know the pulse of the customer. Coming to the new customers, there are few factors which will influence the experience of the customer, such as price, brand, quality, availability, multilingual support, etc. My idea was to collect the data from customers themselves at the time of profile creation. In addition to basic details such as age, area, we can also ask for additional details such as interested brands, interested products, their hobbies, preferred languages. Finally, we have data with us. We can perform clustering on the data, and customer segmentation can be done. Segments can be done based on different factors such as brand, language, area, age. For example, consider the age. Youth prefers mostly gadgets. So we have different customer segments with us. Finally, we can apply predictive analysis, train and test the model using machine learning algorithms on these segments, and we can predict customer sentiment or experience using that model when any product was purchased. We can improve remaining factors from our side, such as changing suggestions based on current sets of customers, resources management, team support, streamlined shipping, providing discounts, etc. Thank you.